Businesses of all sizes across all sectors are considering new financial models. They're rethinking reliability and they're moving away from traditional CapEx models in favour of more commercially attractive, fee-based OpEx solutions. They want more efficient ways to hit their operational targets and deliver improvements with predictable KPIs and costs. The truth is, 90% of all bearings fail because they are either designed, installed, lubricated, or used incorrectly. So how do you get better bearing performance, cut costs, reduce waste in the value chain, and lessen your environmental impact? It's easy with SKF's pay-for-performance models. With a fee-based rotating equipment performance contract, you can maximise machine availability and reliability, even increasing health and safety in your factory without committing to capital investment. Let's look at how. By changing how you pay for reliability and maintenance and moving to performance-based models, SKF work with customers to help you hit your plant KPIs and add value to your business with better TCO and longer component life. Instead of just replacing bearings when they break, you can analyse them, remove them from service before they fail, and remanufacture them using only 20% of the energy it would take to make new ones, avoiding downtime. SKF's REP and performance-based contracts help you unlock the continuing value of your rotating machinery, only paying when you reach your targets. As REP's a journey SKF take with our customers, it's in our interests to help you increase performance so we both benefit. When you sign a rotating equipment performance contract with SKF, you'll get access to our full engineering expertise, including bearings, lubrication systems, seals, and condition monitoring, all at a predictable cost and delivering value that will translate into success for our customers. Our focus on digitalization is unique in the market. We see it as an enabler to deliver value through mechanical engineering services, with a range of hardware and software that integrates easily into customers' systems. Our real-world applications are practical and simple to use, and the solutions are cost-effective and scalable. Our rotating equipment performance centres are home to data scientists and application engineers who already monitor millions of bearings in real time to avoid unplanned downtime, reduce costs, and improve total cost of ownership. We know pain points can vary from customer to customer, but there are key areas that can impact all businesses. Realise your plant's potential with SKF rotating equipment performance fee-based contracts and achieve your KPI targets to get the best value and performance from your resources and machinery.